Plato, born in Athens around 427 BC to an aristocratic family, was a major figure among the ancient Greek philosophers who influenced Western thinkers. He wrote 36 dialogues or philosophical discussions between himself and his teacher Socrates, shaping a new school of thought known as Platonism. However, scholarly debates have persisted regarding whether these dialogues truly reflect Plato's own philosophical perspectives or they represent the ideas of Socrates or others. The distinction between Socratic and Platonic thought can be very complicated. Plato's most renowned contribution was the theory of forms, in which he denied the reality of the physical world we live and recognize using our senses. He asserted that these are only images or shadows of the real world, which can be understood and comprehended only through reason and wisdom. This is called the world of forms, or the idealistic world. He argued that most people rely on their senses and consider the material world to be the only reality. According to Plato, they are ignorant, as they live without the wisdom that could lead them to access higher intuition and understand the form of the good, or perhaps the concept of the idealistic supreme good. This could be his concept of the one God. His most famous work was the Republic, one of the most influential written works of political theory. This dialogue discusses justice through a hypothetical utopian civilization governed by the pure wisdom of a philosopher king. Plato believed in the immortality of the soul, and his beliefs about afterlife and reincarnation were subjects of debate among scholars. It's said that he had some secret metaphysical teachings that were shared only with his trusted circle and were discussed orally. At the age of 40, he established the academy where he lectured and trained many philosophers, including Aristotle. Even after Plato's death, the academy continued to provide education for 3 centuries. Plato died at the age of 81, leaving behind his legacy of traditional Platonism through his dialogues. These writings equipped philosophers with multiple tools and methodologies for thinking and analysis.